Good afternoon, guys. This is your brother Joe Beast TV. I have come this afternoon to talk about very important topic. This is about women. Yes, this topic is about yes and women. But before I start, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified and you watch it. So, my subscribers, I thank you for supporting me. One love. One love. This topic is those girls, those women that says all men are the same. All men are the same. This is the people I want to talk about. You will say all men are the same. All men are the same. The problem is not the man. The problem is you, the girl, you, the woman. You date John. When you are dating John, you are demanding. You have never sit down and ask John, what is your purpose in life? So that you support his purpose, you support his dream, so that John will move forward. No. What is there? I need a car. I need a shoe. I need this thing. I need that. I need this. I need that. This and that and that. Demanding. Just say the person retired and broke up the relationship. After some while, you date Peter. You carry the same attitude, the same character, and meet Peter. After some while, Peter will break up. You see Matthew, the same attitude, the same character. You take it to Peter. Small time Peter will break up. You see Silas, the same attitude, the same character. Silas will break up. You meet Jagbada, the same attitude, the same character. Jagbada will break up. And you come out and say, telling people, all men are the same. All men are not worthy. All men are the same. And that cannot have anything to do with men again. My sister, the problem is not men. The problem is you. You have to sit down. Change your character. Change your attitude. When the next relationship you're going to go into, sit down. Know the person dream. Know the person this thing. Then support him not by money, support him by words, support him by encouraging. You will see the relationship will last. You will see the relationship will stay long, lead to marriage. But if you do not change your attitude, the same attitude, my sister, you will see every time all men are the same. All men are the same. Because you have never worked on your character. You have never worked on your attitude. Change your attitude. When you change your attitude, the way, you see, you know that men are different. If you meet Johnson, you change attitude. Wow, Johnson, how is today? Okay, what you want to be in future? What you want to be? Johnson will tell you. Then you bring your own idea. Add to Johnson's idea. Johnson will go. And Johnson start adding your own idea to his own idea. Johnson begin to see different. My sister, Johnson can never break up. He would like to stick with you because you know that you are a woman of vision. You are a woman of dream. Because you know that you make a career to move forward. But if you do not do that, you always sit down. Johnson, I need to put my weave. I want to put a woman head. Johnson, there's latest phone that come out now. They sell it thousands of naira. I want to buy it. You have 3 phones. But you telling Johnson, I want to buy it for, this is what is running for women now. I want to buy it. And Johnson, if you don't give me that money, you are not serious. I will break up. And then Johnson, there's a one car. That's his car. It's the latest. It's the latest in town. I want to ride that car. Johnson, give me money. Johnson, I want to buy this car. And there's one gold. My friend bought it in Dubai. When he went to Dubai, I want to go to Dubai, I want to do this. Hey, how will the relationship last? You have to work on your relationship, work on your character. Sit down, think. Why these men always broke up? What is the problem? I want to know the problem so that the next relationship will not be like that. When you sit down, calculate, think, you will see, you will find out what I'm saying is truth. You have to work on your character, change your character, support men. Men need person that will support them this time around. Understand? Men need somebody that will encourage them to move forward by giving them idea, by making their dreams to come true. That is what men need. Men don't need a consumer. When you become a consumer, you will see your relation will become, all men are the same. That is their story. All men are the same because you are a consumer. Sometimes you be an advisor. John, hey, no. Use this money that you have in your account now, put it into this business. When this business grow, then you can give me this money. No, don't use this money. Keep this money, put it in one business. If the business grow, maybe the gain from it, you give me, I will buy what I want. That man will never leave you. That woman will die. That man will die because of you. Because you make her dream to come true. But if you're a woman, when John say, I have 1 million in my account, then tomorrow you say, John, please give me 600,000 out of that money. I want to go and buy one thing. It's so special. I want to use it. It's very, very important. John will tell you, I don't have money. But you have 1 million in account. You want to consume that 1 million. That person will run away because you know that you don't have any dream. You don't have any future. But when you have person have 1 million, he call him, hey, John, Mr. Please, this 1 million in your account, use this money, put it into this business, invest it like this, or buy land. Maybe 2 or 3 years, this land will grow to 2 million, 3 million. We sell it. That person will never leave you. That person will know that you're a woman of vision. You have a dream. You will support him with your brain. He will not leave you. But if you don't do all this, you are only consumer. I need money. I need this. I need that. He cannot ever you cannot ever contribute to that man's dream. You can never contribute to that man's success. Only consumer. That man will leave you. That man will leave you. Tomorrow you come out and say all men are the same. Men are not the same. Men need person that will support their dream. Men need man who will give them advice to move forward. I have this money. Well, invest it on this, invest it on that. Money will come out. Then we can be living a luxurious life because when that time already get interest, that is what men need. Not a woman that, bring it now, let us go. This place we are living now, I don't like it. Go to Lekki, go to phase 3, go to phase 70, go and rent house there. That is where big boys are there. No supporter, just consumer. My sister, that relationship will not last. Only in a few times the person will leave you. You will come out and say all men are the same. Change your character. Change your character. When you work on your character, change your character, you will see all men are not the same. Please, thank you for watching this video. But please help me to subscribe. Press the notification button, like and comment so that you contribute for your own comment on this video. Thanks so much.